Hi guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing video of my new AirPods because I got them from Costco, and you know my dad was with me, so he didn't say no, and like if my mom was with me, she would say no. So, yeah.
Well,
I already
nice.
opened this because and all like the plastic wrapping around it is all gone, so it's not gonna be as satisfying.
She totally didn't steal it, okay?
Hopefully I didn't. Okay, so here is the box. So very nice. Yeah. Okay. And once I open it, yeah. Okay. Here's the thing. I don't know what that is. And bro, this is the actual AirPods. Oh, okay. Let me just. Oh.
Wow.
Designed by Apple in California. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yep. We have to blur that out because we're not sponsored.
We're not sponsored. Yeah, we're not sponsored by the way. Ooh, look at that. So nice.
So yeah.
No, right? So crisp, sleek, clean.
Ooh.
Look at the charging cable.
What kind of
Look at the
port is it? Is it USB-C?
Yeah, it's a USB-C cord.
Nice.
Lightning.
Oh,
Opening it.
Wow.
Why it's so expensive? That's not really beautiful.
Because it's Apple.
Apple, not pineapple.
Beautiful.
Not pineapple, okay. Continue.
It's not pineapple, it's apple.
Wow. Why is the printing so tiny?
Oh my gosh.
gosh.
Alright, can you read that whole thing for us?
No.
I'm just kidding.
No.
Oh my god.
My gosh, he's so gentle.
Look at this
with it.
glossy finish. Oh my god.
Gloss finish.
What else?
7 minutes.
What are you talking about?
2 minutes.
And then
Ala, chika, chika.
here's
Chica, chica, chica.
here's the
Hey, oh, okay. I thought that was something else.
So those are silicone ear tips to adjust it.
silicone. So if you have big ears or small ears,
Actually, Venice, if you go in your settings, you can do a sound test to make sure that the silicone fits well.
Alright, I'll do that. I'll get my phone. Hold up.
So what made you want to get the Apple AirPods, Venice?
Because I saw them at Costco.
You saw them at Costco?
what made you?
What's the
what made you-
purpose?
Yeah, but you also saw a vacuum cleaner, but you didn't get the vacuum cleaner.
What? No, I also saw a grill. I mean,
She decided to get the Apple AirPods because she has an Apple phone now.
Oh, okay. Oh,
that makes sense.
Special and
speaking of an
Apple.
Yeah.
let's see your phone, Venice.
My phone, it's right there.
Where's right there? We gotta show the camera.
So how
Here's the
happy you are
phone.
that you have that?
Oh, yeah.
Your mom won't allow you to have that.
It's recording.
It's okay.
Okay, so here's my phone. Whoa. It has this sparkly
She
thing.
stole this.
No, I didn't. Maybe I did. You never know. So yeah, that's it.
And there was like a $30 discount, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah,
And they made me buy Apple Care, and I couldn't say no.
So it wasn't really a $30 discount then.
Yeah.
Hey,
Well, it is because they just still made her buy Apple Care.
Yeah.
it's like 2 years old now, right?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But they still update it.
Alright,
Tapos,
how do
ano?
I connect this now?
Alright.
Ganun pa.
Wow.
Care on her phone.
Yeah.
because-
Oh, I know your
Train your
password.
posture.
I know your password.
And where's that one?
Okay, what's my password then?
Oh, talk, Tyler. Talk, Tyler.
Tyler talk.
Tyler, talk. You talk.
Hey guys.
Guys, we're recording.
It's okay. It's a joke recording for the
Oh,
kids.
why does
that
that
out.
sound
Cut that
so
out.
weird? Okay, just there. Oh, you have to open.
What the heck?
Connect.
Oh,
Okay, I'm
oh,
connecting. I'm connecting.
Let me see. Whoa. It's spinning.
Oh my
It's spinning.
gosh.
Oh, Benice's AirPod Pros. Wait, it already knows my name?
Yeah.
What the heck?
It's called Invasion of Privacy.
Wow. Wow, Apple. Wow.
Yeah, 'cause
Apple. Wow.
Your phone's already named Denise, right?
Yeah.
So it's your AirPod now.
Oh, yeah.
That makes sense, I guess. Okay, where's the sound testing?
It's in the settings. Go to Bluetooth, click AirPod Pros, do sound
It's not.
ear tip test or something like that.
Can you spray paint this?
No, probably not.
Huh?
Spray paint what?
The case?
No, that's it. This.
Yes.
Spray paint the case.
Oh no.
My silent
I just
movie.
wondering.
It's plastic. No, you can't. Because the paint would just run off of it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know where you find it. What the heck?
What are you looking for?
Sound test.
All right. So what do you know about the AirPods Pros, guys?
They're expensive.
They're expensive. That's one. But what are like some of the features?
They go in your ears.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And they're Bluetooth.
They're Bluetooth. Nice.
They don't have wires.
Oh, they're like 2021 design.
They're white. The only color is white.
There's black. There is?
No, there's not. Those are the knockoff ones.
Oh. No, but right here. Oh, no, those are the speakers for me.
Sure. That's a microphone.
Is it a microphone?
I have a pair of earbuds that go in my ears.
Yeah, but don't they have different modes? I know there's transparency mode.
What's that?
No, so transparency mode, that's the mode where like you can hear other people around you, so it doesn't even sound like you have earbuds inside. Noise cancellation cancels out all the noise. I use mine to sleep in the plane because it's really loud. It's pretty useful.
I'm gonna listen to one.
That's gonna be the first song. All right, don't play it out loud because we don't want to get copyright striked.
We can mix it together.
How about you?
Ay, isa yun na yun, Mars. Ito yun ang anak mo. Mars, may ibiiyak ko.
Mom, we're recording this.
Ma.
Mabigat ito din. Lutuin natin ito sa
This is the plastic wrapper. Oh my
Wrapper?
god, guys.
Wrapper?
Plastic wrapper.
Wappa.
WAP?
Is it?
Plastic
Bro!
wrapper.
Cut that out. Cut that out.
Wholesome action.
This is
Partners.
a family worship and prayer. Yeah.
Yes.
Waffles and pancakes.
I like to WAP every morning. Worship and prayer.
Oh.
Bro.
All right, guys.
Wait, how much? How long is it?
All right, guys. Any last words for the video?
Subscribe and like the video and share.
All right, do the outro song.
No, it's do. Bye. You're welcome.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Click the bell.
Subscribe.
Click the bell. It should be down there, right there. And click the I right here. There's gonna be more videos right there. And yes. And join our Patreon and my OnlyFans. Bye.